how to set who can see my last seen on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Here in Telegram homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. In settings, you can see here the privacy and security. Tap security and privacy. Here in privacy and privacy section, you can see here the last seen and online. So you can tap this. And now you can set the who can see my last seen. So you can set into everybody, my contact, or you can set into nobody. So I decide to set into my contact. And also you can set the exemption, so never share with and always share with. So you can set this by tap this. So for example, I select Chad and tap the done button on the upper right side, and always share with Tico Blake and tap the done button on the upper right side. And also you can hide read time by switching on the switch button on the right side, or you can switch off this, the hide read time. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the who can see my last seen on Telegram. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.